Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So today is March 6, 2026. I'm heading out to Snellville to do a grading job. The job includes removing an old koi pond. He doesn't want it anymore. Also moving some dirt from the front to the back, fill up any holes that's in the back there. And also as well as regrading an area in order to build a driveway. So we've got this project right here. What we're gonna do is actually build a driveway over here. I don't know if there's enough rocks over there. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go take a look at the backyard right now. I think the backyard is gonna be good now. I just gotta do some minor adjustment. What we really need is just to make sure that this backyard is mostly nice and level, so when you cut the grass, everything is smooth. So we just want a smooth spot for it, which I think this looks good over here for a smooth spot. I'm probably just gonna bring the I'm probably gonna bring the land plane and trying to level it out some more, but I may have to bring some more dirt right here. It's a little bit low here, and add a little bit more dirt right here, depending on what's left over there. If we don't need all that over there, I'll just bring it over here, bring this up a little bit more. Okay, so far this is what I have right here, but I'm gonna work on it some more. I still got a lot of dirt on that side to take care of, so we'll see how that goes. Guys, it's 2 o'clock and I was able to move all that dirt from this side over here. I moved it over here. Now the next thing is I'm gonna use the land plane here. So I'm gonna use the land plane to smooth things out, and once I'm done with smoothing things out, I'm gonna build the driveway. So this may be a little difficult, but I don't want to really dig down deep, because I can go a little bit deep over here by the road, but I don't want to go too deep either, because then you have some utilities underneath here. Normally the utilities should be deep, but I could probably go like a few feet down so I can make them a driveway to go up. So we'll see how that's gonna play out. But I gotta spray this dirt right here, make it look nice and neat. And that was a lot of dirt. It took me a while to move this around. So now I'm gonna try to use the land plane and fill up this with diesel because it's out of diesel now. So it's time to go back and work on it. Okay, so I got the fabric down. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and lay the rocks down. Pretty much done over here. This is the main. This was kind of like the main reason why they wanted the driveway here, but we had to smooth this out first before we work on here. So I use my Hydra Bucket. There's a lot of dirt mixed with this stuff right here too. So it's not really the best thing, but gotta use the rake before. Gotta use the rake before you actually seed it, because you need some seed down here.